This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat heading to General de Gaulle Square, also called City Hall Square. Here we are close to O'Callaghan's Irish pub. If you look around you, you should see a staircase leading down to an underground car park. And near this entrance, there is an elevator, and this elevator has a particularity. It contains some fragments of mosaics in a half-art Nouveau, half-art Deco style. But what do they represent, and where do they come from? These mosaics come from a tram kiosk designed in 1932 by the architect Pierre Chirol, and which was located at the same place where we are. Why was there a tram kiosk, and why do we talk about it in the imperfect tense? Quite simply because the old Rouen tramway passed through this place, which ran from 1877 to 1953, and we speak of it in the imperfect tense because the tramway and its network suffered significant material damage during the bombings of the Second War, worldwide, which quickly led to its closure. Until 1983, the kiosk remained until it was demolished to make way for an underground car park. From this period, only a few pieces of mosaics have been preserved and restored, and they are before you today.